Some of the best training shoes that VS is able to provide us with are shoes like this Brooks Adrenaline, which definitely has this anti-pronation control and is a lightweight shoe considering it is a stability shoe. This Asics Foundation is another shoe that's very fortified to be able to prevent the pronation and with a flexible toe box function as a very good running shoe for athletes of all levels. Here we have a shoe that would demonstrate the lack of support that we need to have with a person who's overpronating and who needs more support out of a shoe. When we do that Dr. Paul twist test, the toe and the heel being twisted the opposite way, the shoe's bending right in the midsole. Even when I push up on the toe box, you can see how the shoe bends right in the middle. Versus when we were doing that with this Asics Foundation, you only see the bending in the toe box. Same thing with this Brooks Adrenaline, just getting the bending in the toe box. So anytime again the shoe bends in the midfoot, it's definitely not going to give that type of support in the part of the foot where usually pronation will be taking place, and the resultant symptoms of either plantar fasciitis, shin splints, or Achilles tendonitis are going to occur. One of the other shoes that I've been really intrigued with is this type of a lighter weight kind of training shoe, which VS Athletics has now, and they've minimized the bulk in the heel where they've actually reduced the size by half, and then they've also put a strengthening system in the midfoot, so this anti-pronation phenomena is addressed pretty darn well. So this is where, again, I like a shoe like this to be used, you know, for lightweight training. So when we put these orthotics in these VS special shoes, we find that it makes the shoe function even better, and most likely the athlete is going to be injury-free with this type of system. This shoe doesn't exhibit much collapsing in the midfoot, especially for a racing flat, which is really compromised in weight. So this shoe right now is getting a Dr. Paul stamp of endorsement, and so is this one as well. It is still, again, a shoe that's going to have, you know, use primarily for racing and speed work, and as long as it stays in that use, it's going to have the ability to help the athlete run injury-free. Some of the other shoes that VS Athletics has that Dr. Paul endorses is this Puma shoe. We've got a couple of them here with good anti-pronation capability, and these are our favorite shoes right now.